Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in HubSpot. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all of your CRM tools and features. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on CRM. This section is where you'll manage all of your contacts, deals, and customer data, and it's the area you need to access to create custom segments and lists. After clicking into the CRM section, you'll see several options appear. Look for and click on segments or lists. This is the hub where all of your contact lists live, and it's where you'll be able to create new segments based on specific criteria that match your business needs. Now that you're in the segments and lists area, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create Segment. Click on this button to start building your new customized list. This opens up the segment creation tool where you can define exactly which contacts you want to include. Once the segment builder opens, you'll notice options on the left side of the screen. Click on Contacts to specify that you want to create a list of contact records rather than companies or deals. After selecting contacts, click Next to move forward in the setup process. At this point, you'll be taken to the filter selection screen. Here you'll see an option that says Add Filter. Click on this to begin defining the criteria for your list. Filters allow you to narrow down your contacts based on specific properties, behaviors, or characteristics, so you can target exactly the right audience. In the filter menu that appears, you'll see a wide range of options to choose from. For example, you might select Contact Owner as your filter. Once you've chosen that filter, you'll need to input the owner name in the field provided. This will ensure that only contacts assigned to that particular owner are included in your list. You can add as many filters as you need to make your list as specific as possible. Once you've set up your filters and everything looks correct, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Next. This will take you to the final configuration screen where you can adjust a few more settings before saving your segment. On this screen, you'll see an option labeled Active. Click on this to set your list as an active segment. Active lists automatically update as contacts meet or stop meeting your filter criteria, which keeps your list current without any manual updates. If you'd like to add more context to your segment, you can input a description in the field provided. This is optional but can be helpful if you're managing multiple lists and want to quickly understand the purpose of each one. Finally, once everything is configured the way you want it, click Save and Process Segment. HubSpot will now build your list based on the filters you've set, and it will continue to update automatically as your contact data changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a customized active list of customers in HubSpot that will keep itself updated based on the criteria you defined. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.